Welcome to Mastering DML Operations in Salesforce. In this educational video, we will explore the powerful world of data manipulation language, DML, in Salesforce, equipping you with the skills to efficiently create and modify records. Let's start by understanding the basics of data manipulation language. DML provides a straightforward way to manage records in Salesforce. Unlike other programming languages, Apex DML gives you direct access to your data without additional setup. DML statements are the building blocks for manipulating records. We have familiar operations such as insert, update, delete, undelete, and merge. But Salesforce introduces a couple of unique statements, upsert and merge, which can be quite handy. For instance, upsert allows you to create new records and update existing ones in a single statement. And merge is useful for merging records of the same type, deleting duplicates, and reparenting related records. When inserting records, Salesforce automatically assigns an ID. This ID is persisted in the database and auto-populated on the subject variable you used in the DML call. Let me show you an example. Performing DML operations in bulk is the recommended way to avoid hitting governor limits. This helps you stay within the DML limit of 150 statements per Apex transaction. Bulk DML operations count as one statement, not one for each subject. Upsert is a powerful statement when dealing with a mix of new and existing records. It matches records using a specified field, or by default, the ID field. This prevents the creation of duplicates and saves time. Let's take a look at the syntax. If a DML operation fails, it returns a DML exception. You can catch these exceptions to handle error conditions. But Salesforce also offers database methods, providing an alternative approach with the option for partial success. When deciding between DML statements and database methods, consider your error handling strategy. Use DML statements if you want errors to interrupt control flow immediately. Opt for database methods if you prefer allowing partial success and handling errors later. Now, let's dive into working with related records. You can insert, update, and delete records related to each other through relationships. If a relationship is defined, a record can be associated with a related record through a foreign key ID. You can insert records related to existing records if a relationship has already been defined between the two objects, such as a lookup or master detail relationship. A record is associated with a related record through a foreign key ID. For example, if inserting a new contact, you can specify the contact's related account record by setting the value of the account ID field. Fields on related records can't be updated with the same call to the DML operation and require a separate DML call. For example, if inserting a new contact, you can specify the contact's related account record by setting the value of the account ID field. However, you can't change the account's name without updating the account itself with a separate DML call. Similarly, when updating a contact, if you also want to update the contact's related account, you must make two DML calls. The delete operation supports cascading deletions. If you delete a parent object, you delete its children automatically, as long as each child record can be deleted. It's crucial to understand that all DML operations execute within a transaction. If any operation fails, the entire transaction is rolled back, ensuring data integrity. This boundary can be a trigger, a class method, an anonymous block of code, or a custom web service method. Congratulations! You've now mastered the essentials of DML operations in Salesforce. Whether you're manipulating records, handling exceptions, or working with related data, these skills are essential for any Salesforce developer. Keep practicing, and soon you'll be a DML pro. Open the Developer Console under your name or the Quick Access menu, Settings. In the Developer Console, click Debug and Opnate Execute Anonymous window. To insert in any object, take an object reference and give the necessary values. Write insert command. Set the ID in an ID type variable. System.debug the ID to see. Click Execute. Go to Logs. Then click Debug Only. Go to your org and check if the record is inserted. Open the Developer Console under your name or the Quick Access menu, Settings. In the Developer Console, click Debug and Opnate Execute Anonymous window. To insert in any object, take an object reference and give the necessary values. Write Insert command. Change any field value. Take another reference to insert another record. Make a list of these two records. Write upsert command. It will both update the previous record and insert the new record. Click Execute. Go to Logs. Then click Debug Only. Go to your org and check if the record is upserted. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Salesforce customization tips. Check out the description below to connect with us. Thanks for watching and happy customizing.